What's up, everyone? Alright, let's get some tunes. Big move to the downside. Right as we go live.
The future of human longevity starts here. Introducing the
Alright, let's take a look here. Definitely movement to the downside here. Delta isn't quite moving as much as I would expect it to for a move like this. That's okay. It's okay. Alright, definitely getting a breakout to the downside here. Do we make it all the way down? Kinda would like to see... Oh. Alright. It's just gonna make it all the way down. I was just gonna say, I'd kinda like to see a little bit of a pullback. You know, back to one of these wicks here. I imagine we would probably want to see a top wick of some sort on this 5-minute candle, which should be right at 76. Yep, 76. Maybe put in a little order. Right at 76 for the wick. Make sure I got the correct. Yep, got the correct account. 6 contracts. We're going big or going home. Got a wick on this 1-minute candle here. Could be a sign that we're gonna want to make our way back up, possibly. Or maybe we just go all the way to point of control here and don't put any kind of wick on our 5-minute candle. Point of control is only about 20, well, yeah, about 20 points away. Okay, came back down to this fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. Let's see if we bounce off of that. We could be getting a small pullback here before we continue down. Or we'll just make a new low. How's my stock portfolio ending up? Would you look at that? Ended up 0.2% in our stock portfolio. Hey, I'll take that over being red. We also just kind of blew right through the VWAP here, so okay, we're starting to kind of curve back up here. Yeah, getting some rejection to the top side here, although I think we probably move back up though. Just a bit of a delta divergence here.
Over 1 million high-quality products.
Oh my gosh.
From motors and belts to switches and sensors.
I don't want commercials. Just
Order canceled.
I'm thinking we probably want to make our way down to the point of control here. Let's go ahead and hop in. Give it the old 1-2. Okay, and we didn't get filled. Seriously? I literally put the order in, it blasted right through the order, went right to my target within 5 seconds. Gosh, this is the second time that has happened. Happened yesterday and now today. Gosh. You can do everything right and still... Gal. Hate that. Probably looking at probably make our way back down to point of control. Yeah. let's put in a... Do we want to put in a buy? Do we want to put in a buy? And price goes up. Delta's still looking weak. I think we can look at this as a pullback and then a move back down. I think if we start seeing Delta, if we see some seller stepping in, I think we want to hop in and get in on that. Come on, get filled. Oh. Okay, well. Glad I didn't get filled there, I guess. Coming up on our 21 EMA. We got a decent sized wick on our 5 minute.
To show for my life. A collection of Tupperware with mismatched. Maybe we bounce off of VWAP. And here's that move I was looking at possibly earlier where we didn't have a wick on this. So we're... Holy crap. So much for a pullback. What's gold doing? Okay. Man, we're just gonna blow right through the oh gosh.
Getting wicks here. Do we continue or go back down here? Let's see if we can get a little bit of a move. Oh gosh. I don't like it. Maybe want to see this come down just a little bit close to the top of this candle. We can keep this pattern. Ah, well. Gosh dang it. Ah, see, I should have got in. We hit this value area high here. Yeah, probably. Yep, there it is. I'm just not finding entries that I like. I like to see a little bit of a pullback and enter when it starts going again, but there's just been no pullbacks whenever I'm looking to hop in. This could be a little sketchy, but could look at this as a pullback. There we go. Finally got filled. Holy crap. Oh gosh, and I don't... I got the wrong... Oh, we're cooked. I had the wrong ATM strategy selected. I think we're cooked. We're cooked. Oh, I don't like what is happening with the Delta? It is going down and price is, well, going up, but I think we're cooked on this trade. In fact, we're, well, maybe. Oh, come on. Just get it. Just get it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Just a little further. Just a little further. Ah, no, no, no. I think it's gonna just... Come on. Get it. Oh my gosh. All right, partial fill. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, I didn't like what Delta was doing as soon as I entered that trade. It worked out though. How close are we? Okay, we're about halfway there to passing our eval. And let's... Oh. This is actually decent movement for this trading session. All right, well, if we keep going up, what are we aiming for? Previous day's high?
Summer is here, and it's the perfect
Shut
time to refresh
up,
your home
YouTube.
with a new look from RC.
No one likes you. We're at the top of this level here. Is going on. Okay, another pullback, testing this value area high. Maybe we can go for another move here.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order
Okay,
filled.
we're in. Okay. Let's keep this tight. Ah, there you go. I'll take it. Alrighty. Okay, how much more do we need to pass this eval? We'll just say 800. it. Whew. I think we want to hit previous day's high.
Order submitted.
Oh, that's not what I wanted.
Order canceled.
Maybe just look for a bit of a pullback. I think we're probably just gonna hit it. Oh, there's a little bit of a pullback. Okay, maybe just a little further, something that we can draw a line on. Yeah, we're probably just gonna hit it. Bunch of sell orders right there. People in longs getting out, hitting their target. Yeah, honestly, probably not a great, well, or a great spot to buy into. Oh gosh. Here I am. Oh, it's probably not a great spot to buy into. And it just jumps up like that. Wait, that's not the previous day's high. That's the previous day's open. It almost hit previous day's high. Man, I am dumb. Longer time frame. Buyers seem to be slacking a little bit. I do have a bit of a... Okay. Alright, let's maybe turn on something like this. Try to get in on this pullback here. Hitting our EMAs on our 1 minute chart. And we're in. All right, this is it. Do or die. Come on. We literally either pass the eval or win the eval on this trade. Let's go. And we're cooked. Come on, come on. Come on, EMAs. Save me. We're cooked. Fetch. Well. That's nice.
Starting a business? Put it in the right hands
Up
with Evals.
commercials. Okay, well, time to pull up a new eval. Let's go. Gosh. Oh, and this is where it goes. Seriously. Oh, 7. All right, we got our new eval pulled up here. Oh, gosh, I hate being one trade away from passing, and then that happens. That is just how it be. Let's just... Let's see, is this just a one trade? Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get a move back on our way back up off this pullback here. So we're at the value area high. We're in the middle of some moving averages. Got a nice bull flag. And then we can look for a move all the way back up to the high. So I think that's kind of what I'm going to be looking for. Let's see if we can... There we go. That should be showing you the P&L of the new account here. Okay, we're breaking the trend line here. Let's see if we can get a little bit more strength. More buyers stepping in.
Order filled.
Whew. And this is a trailing account, so this intraday trailing, so this gets tricky if it goes up and then pulls back. We want to, if we really started moving, we'll probably want to manually trail this one pretty decent-ish. We're probably just going to consolidate here forever. The 10 line of resistance. He's the best. Okay, if we
On the
can,
$3 menu at McDonald's, a sausage burrito is one.
too cheap to buy YouTube Premium. If we probably get about into the 50s, I'll probably move our stop to break even. Yeah, okay, here we go. This is where we need to break. Get a good solid move here. Okay. Or we'll just consolidate in this tiny little range for a few minutes. Delta's going the right way, so that's encouraging. Especially over the last 2 minutes on our 5-minute chart. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, we're cooked again. We're definitely cooked. bouncing off. Could be bouncing off our moving average on our 5-minute chart. Let's see if that's enough. We're gonna hit our stop loss, and then we're gonna get stopped out, and then it's gonna go right up. Just watch. That's how it be. Yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked. Yeah, that's it.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. All right, we got 2 more evals. 3 more technically. I'm halfway through a lucid eval. Fetch, dude. Okay, we're at the VWAP. Let's get our other account queued up. Gosh. Oh, frustrating, man. Man, we could be making a play back to point of control. Let's just go for... Let's just go for a little tried and true. What is that risk reward? What? I don't care. I'll just try something different here. All right, so we're moving down. Oh man, that just went down so fast. There's maybe go up, hit the bottom of this wick here, look for a move back down, maybe.
NetCredit is here to say yes to a personal
Shut
loan or line of credit when other lenders.
up, YouTube. Okay, getting a little bit of pullback here. Okay, let's just go for a little smaller moves here. Ah, that's not what I wanted.
Order submitted.
We can't be that lucky, right? It's not gonna just go straight up as soon as we get filled for a sell, is it? Couldn't. Or it could. Come on. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? How can you... Dude, how is that statistically possible? Like, there was zero... Nothing but drawdown there. That was nothing but drawdown. Bro. Oh, Oh, dude, this is just one of those nights where you literally think, well, maybe I should just trade the literal opposite. Maybe I should just trade the literal opposite of what I'm doing right now. Because then I would have won more trades and I'd be in profit right now. Would have passed. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, let's get our other account queued up. Our last Apex. Gosh. Amazeballs. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Alright, we have a bear flag. 1 minute chart. It's always, when you're just in a bad streak, it's always the trades that you take are the ones that lose, and the trades that you don't take are the ones that win. Ah, man. It doesn't help that I didn't get filled on a trade that I tried taking earlier. That would have panned out. Oh, it's frustrating, dude. Frustrating. All right. Hopping in on this bull flag. Looking for continuation to the downside. Okay. I was just gonna say, if we didn't get filled there and if it goes down. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, let's just trail this. Let's just... Alright. That was not the correct... What? Why is that going for... I'm so confused right now. Hold on, I'm gonna... This is a sim. See, that's what it should have looked like when I entered that trade. Why the heck? Okay, I need to change something here. Because I'm tired of changing this every time I stream. Let's have this actually just show the current P&L on the trade. All right, excuse me. Oh, that's not what I wanted. All right, bear with me. Don't mind what we're doing here. All right, we're just gonna show the current P&L. Then we don't have to adjust every time I blow an account. It's because I clicked this one. Yeah, I think we keep moving down here. No, not buy, not buy. Wrong button. Let's get filled. All right.
Over 90
This
of
is
the
what
top
we want.
100 U.S. accounting firms trust Bill to simplify and secure bill.
Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm breaking even. I'm not gonna let it get that close for it to just stop us out. Alright, we should be golden here. Come on. Just hit it. Thank you. Oh, that was my sim account. Oh my gosh, that was my sim. That was not my... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I had the sim. That was it. That was... I should probably just stop trading. I am losing trades that I take, winning trades that I don't take. Well, would have won trades that I don't take, and then when I do take trades, apparently I don't even have the correct account up and do it on the sim account. So, textbook. Gal. Okay, well, I think we're making our way down to the point of control. New 15-minute candle here. Bit of a pullback. All right, let's... Okay, I'm on the correct account now. Jeez. Oh... Like and subscribe if you want to see me make mistakes and lose money. Because that's how tonight's been going. Alright, this is a real account. This is a real trade. Let's get down. Okay, we're not wanting to see this break, obviously. Hopefully we're faking out some buyers here. Okay, here we go. There's some momentum. Come on, get there. Get it, get it. Thank you. Okay. Alright, we would have been up a total of $2,000 on that account if I wasn't a moron and actually took that trade on the right account instead of a sim account. Oh, no, no, no. Wrong button. Oh.
Buying furniture for your business can be full
Ah.
of compromises.
I
losing
should
choices,
probably
and
just
little
stop.
support. Not sure.
But then he didn't stop. I like the idea of getting down to point of control here. In fact, I'm going to move my target a little bit closer. Just need to make a little bit of a new low. I don't think that should be too much to ask for with the current trend. Here we go. Okay, come on, let's keep going. Not asking for too much here. Let's see if we can get a small, just past the low here. Here we go, here we go, come on. Well, oh, come on. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Target filled.
Hey. Alright, we're getting close to passing this eval. And I should have kept my original stop. Oh well. It actually didn't quite hit the low there. We only need 450 more. I think, what do we do? Do we go for the whole thing? Let's... Oh, darn it. I was going to try to hop in about right here, but that just beat me to it. Okay. So we hit the point of control like I thought we were going to, and here is the mystery. Where do we go now? Do we bounce off a point of control like we did last time? Maybe make our way back up to the open. Delta is certainly looking interesting. Oh man, oh man, oh man. How do we not take a long... Why would there be... I guess someone just had a big buy order. We gotta risk it for the biscuit. Oh! Oh my gosh! What is this? Ah! Get filled! Ah, that would have been it. Get filled. Golly, would have passed her eval. Ridiculous. I still think I need to try to get in.
Some people just don't get it. That Squarespace isn't just for websites. You can get a domain from Squarespace too.
Here we
It's
go.
kinda like
Let's
how
get
your
in
parents don't
on
get how
point
you
of
make a living
control.
off your art, but you do. And with a domain like existentialglitter.com and a website from Squarespace, you can build a brand for yourself, grow your client list, and continue to confuse your parents all in one place. Get yours before it's gone with offer code MAKEITREAL for 10% off your domain or website. Terms and conditions apply.
Phil! Oh my gosh. Ew! There it is again! Freaking Phil! Oh my gosh. That's twice. Oh, what do you do if you can't get filled on your orders? Sheesh. One trade away. That's all we need. I don't even need 450. I need 350. What am I... What is this math? Silly me. Okay, we're so close. Looking for a place to go long here. At point of control, maybe? Alright, we're filled. Now we just need to go up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, we passed our eval. It only took 3 tries. Couple mistakes later. Now here's the question. Do we try to pass our lucid eval now? What do I do, chat? You've been awfully quiet. Ooh, I actually have a funded account that is... I'm not sure what the drawdown I have on that right now is. What could we do? Oh, what to do? Let's see, does Apex actually tell you what your drawdown is? Your trailing intraday drawdown. Let's find out. Okay, well, we are just kind of hanging out here at point of control. We're either going to go up or we're going to go down. Geez, what would be our targets? Value area low, probably. Which is just right there. I mean, there's some stuff to try to work toward. There's some moving averages on the 15. Previous day's point of control could be interesting to look for a bounce off of. That could be very interesting. Alright, let's see what's going on. Apex, thank you. Profit target. Well, yeah. One prop firm I haven't looked at in a minute that I used to use quite a bit. Legends. I remember they made some change that I was like, seriously? I wonder if they moved it back. I think it was like you had to have, like, in a funded account, you had to have 10 days of like $150 profit. It's like 10 days? Good freaking crap, dude. Current balance, minimum payout. Apex, do you really not have the ability to tell us what our trailing drawdown is on our account? Trading details? Close P now. I think I have $1,000 of drawdown. Oh, we can mess with it. And I won't be able to activate this eval that I just passed for tomorrow. We will after the trading session tomorrow. Well, that's Bolshevik. Absolute Bolshevik. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Geez, maybe we just go for some small wins on our funded account. I think I want to try passing this Lucid eval. We're halfway through, so we're up 1,500. Just need to get the next 1,500. Yeah, let's do that. Let's not mess with the funded account. We'll do that during the New York session. Because apparently I'm making mistakes, and let's see, I think with Lucid you can only have 4. Okay, I'm actually gonna just take a trade here with my sim account just to see. Oh gosh, that's kind of scary. Is that how we want to go about this? No, I think we want to do... I think this is what we want to do. So we'll go for 750 with 4 contracts. And it's basically just you win or you lose. Do or die. We'll just need to get 2 good trades. Alright, this is the sim. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, let's just see if we can win 2 trades that look like that. That was my sim account, by the way, so. We are starting to slow down a little bit, and I don't like that we're just been hanging out at point and control for the last 15 minutes, basically. We did hit the value area low, though. Bounced off. Basically, perfectly bounced off the value area low back up to point of control. I mean, that's not a huge distance there, but it did do it. Welcome to the stream. If you are new, which you probably are because there's only 5 of you, I would sure appreciate a like and subscribe if you're interested in this, trying to grow the channel. Just an itty bitty YouTube channel. We'd appreciate the support. Oh man, we are just ranging. The ranginess continues. We should make our way back down here. Not loving the divergence in delta, though. Kind of makes me think we're primed up to just start making our way back up. Okay, let's look for a small pullback, and let's look for a chance to take a long here. Okay. Back to point of control. Trading trucker. Hello, fellow trader. Well, hello there. Welcome to the stream. This little old thing. Okay, we're in. This is it. We just gotta win 2 of these. No. Ah, man. See. 2 trade ideas there. Either we just stay in the range here and we move back down, or we break out of the range. Well, rip lucid evaluation. Oh, gosh. Gosh. Well, we passed an Apex evaluation, so at least there's that. Do we mess with our funded account? Let's just a little bit. Let's see. I don't like trading my funded accounts at night. I still think we are pretty primed for a move back up here. We are getting close to the bottom of this range. Let's maybe look at trading a few micros. Whoa. And we'll just do 2 micros. We'll keep a tight stop. Man, I don't even want to do 2, to be honest, with how this night's been going. All right, so we'll just trade 1 micro. And we're basically just going to be looking for a reversal. Oh man, if we would load. Because I do think we are pretty primed order flow wise. Is this seriously still loading? Okay. Yeah, well, obviously, that's not helpful to go so far away. Alright, so we'll just keep a pretty tight stop. And that is interesting. Point of control is way up here on the minis. That's interesting. Let's see if we can. Let's aim for the. Yeah, just below the value area height here. What is going on with this? Why won't this load? Please load. There we go, finally loads. What the heck? Okay. Wow. The microchart moves. Whoa. That is interesting. That is very interesting. Wow. Yeah.
McDonald's, wake up to a $4 breakfast meal deal. Wake up to a sausage McMuffin or a sausage biscuit. For hash browns.
Advertisements. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are we gonna hit our stop? How dumb would that? Oh! No, no, no. What was that? Jeez. Holy cow. How funny would it be if we hit our stop? I mean, obviously the odds are more likely that we lose this trade than win it, just because of the risk reward ratio. Small risk. Well, high chance of losing trade, but yeah, we're only messing with one micro here on our Apex funded account. So not the end of the world if we lose this trade, but I would rather win. Why Why isn't it? Oh my gosh, that's not what I wanted. Oh no, don't do it. Oh. We might have put our stop in the perfect spot. But we'll probably get stopped out anyway. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Just look at it. No, no, no. Oh man, I keep pushing wrong buttons. Would you look at that? It's actually amazing how many ticks, how fast the ticks are on the micros compared to the minis. That's quite wild, actually. Oh my gosh. I am hungry. Where's the foodstuffs? Would you look at that? Just look at it. Oh my gosh, if you could. Man, if I had traded a mini, we'd be up, well, would have been up $500. Okay, so we have passed through our EMAs here and coming back down and retesting, and if it holds, I think we got some more room to the upside here. And if we can actually really start moving here, might be worth maybe adding another contract. Probably not, though. Oh my gosh. Not to hop on a political, oh my gosh, a political soapbox here, but just scrolling through Facebook and there's a post from Vox. The headline, "What could Democrats have done differently about Graham Plattner?" Well, you could have seen the red flags before you elected him in the primary. I mean, honestly, personally, for me, it was the Nazi tattoo that gave away that he was a crap person. But, you know, I'll get off my political soapbox. If only there were signs. Gosh. If only there were signs. Do we add to this? Kind of want to add. And then move to break even. F it. I'm going to add. Make sure we're on one contract. Mine goes okay. Alright, we added. And we're just going to move to break even. Probably regret that, but what if we don't regret it? We don't regret it so far. Man, why can't I take trades like this on with micros? So that's 30 points, which is a lot around this time. Yeah, hey, let's keep this trade going here. Yeah, Delta's looking good. We can blast through the VWAP. That would be a wonderful sign. Yeah, you know what? I want to... Oh, man. You leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. If only there were signs.
life gives you...
Oh no, not now.
Shut up, YouTube. Man, is this gonna do exactly what I want it to? I'm actually curious about something.
Order submitted.
One cell. I mean, maybe I take partial profit here.
Order submitted.
I like the idea of taking partial profit. I feel good about that. And then moving our... let's move our stop a little bit higher. Hey, that was a freaking good trade though. Like, let's see how many points. So 414 to 487, so 70 points. I'll take it. So we have locked in $144 of profit there. That feels good. Except you can't see this. Yeah, it's not a wonderful view, but whatever. And yeah, assuming that we continue this uptrend here, I think probably what I'll do is I'll just kind of trail this stop here, is, you know, whenever there's a fractal. I am blind. Okay, we're getting a little stuck at the VWAP. Okay, made a new high. Man, if only this were a mini. We'd be up almost 2,000. We're doing it live here on YouTube. Oh my gosh. testing the VWAP again. Seriously? My apologies. Gosh. Okay. A good little small pullback would be healthy. And this would even be a decent place to maybe even consider adding here if we start moving our way back up again. I think if we can make a new solid high here, we can move our stop at the bottom of this little pullback here. It's probably, I mean, that's probably a little aggressive, but hey, no one ever went broke taking profit, so I don't feel bad about that. And we would be just under the VWAP too, which is good. Yeah, if we don't break here soon, I probably will just leave my stop loss there, because probably just means we're going to consolidate here for a while. Yeah, it looks like we're just getting a little stuck at the 500s. And I think once we break through, I mean, we're free. Back to point of control at least. Oh man, political rage bait, man. Okay, yeah, looks like they're just gonna want to hang out here by the VWAP and get some resistance at the 500 here. Not quite getting the bull flag break we were hoping for. Oh my goodness. Potatoes. Okay, dipping down under our 9-minute EMA. Closed underneath the 9-minute EMA. Honestly, it wouldn't be absolutely horrible for this to go down and tap the 21 EMA. I feel like that would be healthy. I mean, it would have been better if it had done it sooner rather than later, because we're just kind of consolidating here, and we wouldn't necessarily want to see a break to the downside of this zone of consolidation here. We want to see a break to the upside, ideally. Out of our consolidation box just a little bit, but it looks like we're bouncing back. Yeah, so if I would have been just stopped out there if I had moved up to break even, or not break even, kind of on this pullback. That small pullback here would have been stopped out right there, so maybe that would have ended up being a good thing, or not. It's always a good thing to lock in profits. But I'm kind of sticking with the original idea here that we maybe move up. I don't know, 550. Where's that? About right here. So basically the value area high. We've been up there quite a bit earlier in the day, so I don't think there's any reason why we don't make our way up there this time. I would like to see this 15-minute candle show a little bit more strength. We can get a push up here. I think the market at the very least wants to get back to point of control at 526 here. Okay, still just getting stuck at that 500 level, which, you know, makes sense. If we can just get through that, I think we're just about home free. And we're tapping. Tapping. Tickle the pickle. Okay, here we go. Here's a break. All right, and then I think if we get, hey, there we go. And then I think if we get to about 520, then I'll move my stop and trail that just a little bit. And hopefully this is a legitimate breakout. We're not just faking out some buyers. Psych! Okay. Not a horrible 1 minute candle. Just indecision about if we want to retest this area here, if we want to keep moving up. I think we want to keep moving up. We have point of control. It's always a magnetic level. Okay. Really, ideally, we need to bounce back right here. It's a good sign. Wish our order flow was a little stronger. Yeah, especially on the 5 minute there. This is honestly the longest trade I've ever been on a funded account. I'm okay with it. If we could get a few more candles showing some new highs here, look at increasing my, or upping my stop. Okay, come on, we need to get some more highs here. Come on! Moving very, very slow. Well, no matter what happens with this trade, kind of the results of the day, we're green on our funded account. We passed a Apex evaluation and then blew a couple of evals as well. So, but you know, it do happen. So not the worst night of trading. I really would have liked to have passed that Lucid eval, but can't go your way every time. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Let's get some new highs going. Do something. Yeah. Anyone have a stick? You gotta poke it and wake it up. Wakey, wakey. Yeah, I'm not liking the Delta order flow. I think I'm happy with putting that right below this. Right below that wick there. If we get stopped out, still a pretty good trade for, you know, about almost 40 points. Is that a new high? Yeah, just made a new high. I just need a few more candles of that. I think we're on our way. Come on. Do something. Yeah, another high. I just need a few good consecutive candles making new highs. We don't necessarily want it to dip below the lows of these candles either. Just do something. I don't have all night. After hours trading, after hours trading has been decent for my stock portfolio. Oh, what is that? Quat. No. Oh, no. Get your butt back up there. Come on, let's go back up real quick and give us a good wick. Don't close like that. Oh gosh. Alright, so we tapped the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. That's not the worst thing in the world. I would like to see a good bounce off of it. Here we go. What in the heck is this order flow? I mean, we've broken above 500 and we've pretty much been holding it, so I think as long as we continue to do that, we're gonna be good to go here. But man, we just have not moved in over like 15 minutes, half hour almost. Well, not a half hour, just over 15 minutes. Come on, let's go. Let's break out. Come on. Move faster. Okay, moving down. Delta is kind of holding. Oh, just do something. Go up. Oh, can we get out of this ridiculous range? Please. All right, chat. For the 4 of you that are here, I need to hear your best joke. And you haven't liked yet. I need a like too, because I mean, look at this. From here to here, we're in this trade. Alright, back up to the top of the range, and we actually break through this time. Please. just gonna bounce back down to the bottom of this freaking little range? This is absolute Bolshevik. Come on. What I don't like about this pattern is it's like we crawl our way up, bump down, crawl our way up, bump down, crawl our way up, bump down. Come on, chat. I need jokes. Best joke. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at this 5-minute chart. Look at this. Oh crap. You can't even hardly see that. What in the world? Oh, let me fix that. What is going on with my... Oh, that's why. Yeah, that should be fine. I'll just have to make a separate thing at some point for my 5-minute chart. Oh well. Yeah, good to know though. And here we go. We're just gonna crawl our way back up again.
Okay, Mom, for my dorm, I'm thinking
Crawl our way up, big chunk down, crawl our way up, big chunk down. Alright, is this where we get stopped out? Is this where we take profit? Or is it going to go back up? Okay. Alright, there we go. Finally stopped out. So that trade everything combined. So from oh, would you look at that? Right back up from 413 to 495. Ah, no, look at that. Would you look at that? Stopped out just barely. Right back up. I'll take it. How many points did I say that was? Let's see. So 14 to 94. So like 70 points. I'll take 70 points on a funded account on a night session. I'll take it. And some of that was a little bit of overlapping points too, because we actually added to that trade and took profit. So technically closed. Let's see. So how many points total? 14 to 86. So 70, and then 57 to 94. So 44. So yeah, like almost 120 points total. Between two contracts. So I'll take it. Well, I'm gonna call it there, folks. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Support my itty bitty little channel, and I will see you next time. Cheers.